Hey. Candid, cleaning conversations. Everybody gather round, it's a celebration that we're still standing. Big up Katrina, she the inspiration. Came up from the bottom, she here with that motivation. Here to teach and inspire, help you aim higher, help you dream bigger, get what you desire. Real recognize, real iron sharp as iron. Let us grow your cleaning business. She ain't playing around, yeah, the queen mean business. So stick around, get down with a podcast. Hold it down, here we go, foot on the gas. Candid, cleaning conversation. Hey, hey, hey.
All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Candid Cleaning Conversations,
where we keep it real, raw, and uncut about the cleaning industry and everything that's involved.
You dig? Okay, so today we have a question. Today's question is, what keeps you creative? Pretty good question. Okay, I think we can answer this. Where do you get your creative juices from? Like, I know sometimes you can get a brain fart. You can just be you know how you unmotivated and you just like in a slum and you can't even think about what to do that's creative and different from everybody else. Okay, so one of the things that I do is I love to look at TikTok videos and reels and see what's trending. Okay, so the trending topics, go and look at what's trending and what's popping right now. All right, and you can bounce ideas off of that, off of what's popping right now, you know, and maybe you can remake it, whatever you're looking at. Okay, but that's one way that I come up with stuff. I will look at what is trending right now.
Okay. Another thing that you could do is you can actually see what's Google search, highly Google search, by going to a website called Ask the Public. I know on here we go there a lot and we just see, okay, what's the trending topic? What's being highly searched? Because we want to make sure if it's highly searched, that means that somebody want to know the answer to it. So hey, Ask the Public. Definitely go there and find out any information that you can, and including in any industry. All you got to do is type it in the search bar what you're looking at. You can type in cleaning business, you can type in entrepreneur, you can type in toenail clipper. I don't care what it is. You can type it in, it'll give you what's being highly talked about on that particular topic.
Right. Another thing that you can do is study your competitors. Okay,
Yes.
Make sure that you are paying attention to what they're doing, but most importantly, you need to be paying attention to what they are not doing. Okay, pay attention to what your competitors are not doing and do that. If you see that they're missing something, like I see they're not offering this service, maybe I can slide that in mine, and that's how I can be different. Okay, so pay attention to what your competitors are not doing and see if you can implement something in a special, or you can whip something up inside your cleaning company that makes you different from everybody else. Okay,
I like that. Another thing that we do is we do posts. We post polls and polls. Where we do like a questionnaire. We'll go on side of Instagram, we'll ask a question and we'll see, okay, so what % got this answer? So we'll be like, okay, so this is what we're going to talk about. And that's what we're going to talk about. It's good for you to just ask a question, let people answer, and see what they want to hear.
What do people want to hear? What do people want to look at? What does your audience want to look at? What better way to find out what your audience wants to look at than asking them what they want to look at?
Right.
Okay. So you ask a question. Hey, do you want me to do a video on this, or this? And then see what the answers are. I did this one time during tax season, and of course everybody clicked on the tax video because they was like, do a video on the taxes. I want to know about taxes. So we did a video on taxes, but we had to ask, and you can do this in your whatever it is that you're trying to do. You can do this in your world too. Just ask questions. You can do this on Facebook, on YouTube. Ask questions and feed off of the answers that you get. Okay, so you can ask questions like, what cleaning supplies do you love your cleaners to have when they come to your home? Okay, and see what kind of answers that you get. Make your content off of that. Bounce off of those ideas. Okay, so there's several ways you can do it. You just got to get creative about it. All right.
The
next thing is Follow people that inspire you.
That's a good one.
It should be a no-brainer that you should not be following no trash. You need to be following people that actually inspire you. You just don't know. I have a few good influencers that I look at damn near every day, and they inspire me. So I go on the page, I look at it, and I automatically come up with ideas for my business. Okay, just by being empowered. And then it's people that follow me. You know, I just had someone in my inbox talking about my new office, because I did a video showing my office and all that stuff, the new one that we got, and they were like, wow, man, this is great. You know, you really inspire me. I think I'm gonna do something like that. Okay, so follow people that inspire you and get ideas off of that. But the whole deal is you need to get your creative juices flowing some kind of way. Right. Okay, if you don't know, then you need to look at somebody else that's doing it. You can get ideas that way. Period. Okay, so the next thing that I have down here is
let's see, different experiences. So that's just like different things that happen in life that you might experience. So get yourself out here. Go travel. Do different things.
That's a good one.
So that way you can not only have the content, now you can be like, you know what? Because it makes you think outside of the box. It's not your norm. Like, do you know it's so many things that you can do outside of what you do? Like, you just think of it as a GPS. You have more than one way to get to one destination, but you got more than one way to get there. Right. So you have to understand what you know is not total it. Somebody else can tell you a different way, and you can be like, you know what?
You would be amazed when you travel.
Yes.
The stuff that you see, the foods that you eat,
how they handle
some of you guys have been in the same city for years. Yes. The same state for years and have not left your state. Okay, so whenever I feel like I'm having a brain fart and I feel down, usually if I can't come up with stuff, I'm probably falling through some sort of depression or something, okay? And I'm human like anybody else, but you have to know what to do to get you up out of that funk. I know one of the things that I do is I surround myself with good people, because the people that's in my circle, they not going to see me down. They don't want to see me slumped over crying and all this low vibrational talk about giving up. They don't want to hear that shit. And that's a good thing. I surround myself with people like that, okay? People that uplift me and pour into the vision, okay? Because they know if I win, they win, okay? So not only that, but I will take trips. I will go places. And I want to go somewhere that I never went before. I eat foods that I never ate before. Get ideas off of all of that, okay? It opens up my creativity when I'm taking a little trip. So travel. Go take a trip out of town somewhere and see some new sight. Go sightseeing. You know, stay in a luxury hotel for a change.
Yes. They be having like different folds of the towels and stuff. They have different folds of toilet paper. Man, oh my God.
Yeah, oh my God. We went to a hotel where they had the towels folded like a duck. And that was the first time I seen somebody like really do that. And I was like, damn. I might have to start doing that. But I still to this day don't know how they did that. But if I didn't never travel, I wouldn't not have seen that. The little whole duck fold. And then it was some other folds that I saw too that was different.
Well, you do this one fold. Remember the one that you have where you put
it had the little fan in it? Yes, oh, that's another one that we saw. It was a toilet paper fold. You know, I'm gonna do a video on it.
But that was but the other one that you do, the one that you put in KK's bathroom, the one she told you, she was like, "Mom, can you do that one for me?" You know, it looks like a fan, but you use two different towels. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh yeah, we got that from. Cute. I got that from when I used to work as a housekeeper.
Oh, well, that's
yeah. We used to fan. We used to put the washcloth in a fan and then put it inside the hand towel. That's like old school stuff we used to do.
No, she got to show y'all.
But yeah, I might do a whole video on all of the ways that I know how to fold towels. But my point is, when you travel to different Airbnbs, you get to see their setup and you get to get ideas from this stuff. Okay, so some of y'all might say, "Great, you got no money to be traveling all around the world and stuff like that." But that is a way to get some ideas. Or you can just use good old Google and YouTube, and you can YouTube different ideas to how to fold towels, how to cleaning business hacks. Oh my God, cleaning hacks. I love to watch hack videos. Watch some hack videos, okay? And you can get plenty of ideas off of those videos on Reels, on TikToks. They got plenty of cleaning hacks. Watch those videos, okay? And get your ideas off of that. But those are different ways that we get creative, and it gets my creative juices flowing, and I'm ready to be different and do something that I haven't done in my cleaning business, okay? Yep. So, with that being said,
we are over and out, okay?
Yeah, it done start raining. It's raining real hard outside right now.
Real dark.
It done start thundering and raining and everything, honey. All right, so we're going to wrap it on up. This was just a little short video for you guys, podcast, just talking about ways that you guys can get your creative juices flowing. All right, so we want to hear about some of those ideas, by the way. So make sure you leave some comments down below on ways that you're being different in your cleaning company, if you feel free to share, okay, with us. All right, and make sure that you guys leave us a review. If you're listening to the podcast, make sure you guys leave us a review and rate our podcast for us, okay? All right. Until next episode, we are out of here. Hey, listen, it's 5 things your cleaning business cannot live without. 1, you need clients. You need a system that automatically attracts clients. 2, you need workers. You need some staff. You need to learn the power of delegation. You can't do everything by yourself. Number 3, I know you hear this all the time. You need a proven system. Yes, girl. You're gonna need a system. You can't do nothing without a proven system. Number 4, you need to know your numbers. And most importantly, number 5, you can't do nothing without the tenacity. That's right. You need the willpower. You need to get up off your ass and get some work done, okay? And one thing about us, we can help you do that here at Tenacity Academy, okay? We have a proven system where we can help our students start, grow, scale profitable cleaning companies. If you want to know more about that, go to www.tenacityacademy.com and book your discovery call, okay? I'll see y'all on the other side. I got to get back to this money. Peace.